I'm gonna be doing you back
Something, yes, yes.
So we live in Jamaica with a thing that we call revenge.
Yes,
so
yeah.
The crime keep on going.
Yeah.
From
Yeah,
day one.
yeah.
Yes, when you hurt someone.
Yeah.
We need to change that mentality.
It is, yes.
And we will be okay.
And we will be okay.
But we keep on having this grievance that we carry for one another. That
Yes.
we have this war.
Yes.
So even after years,
Yes.
people remember what you did to them.
Yes.
So they're coming back to you.
So if there's any war, so who is the war against?
It's just us warring against one another over simple matters.
Simple,
Things that we can easily resolve, you know?
Okay. So it's like a personal war between people.
We have a little political war out here also, based on the two parties.
Yeah.
It's mostly personal war.
But so this have nothing to do. It have nothing to do with foreigner who come in the country.
No, man.
Yeah, but don't do the shit they say. Well, come on, everything.